Welcome to Shelly at CES 2025. We've got some incredible new product innovations to share with you. Everything from the addition of Zigbee and Matter, Z-Wave Long Range, LoRa, some really cool stuff, trying to meet our customers wherever they are and supporting every major wireless protocol, from our wired modules to sensors, home automation, energy management, monitoring. So much cool stuff to share with you. Let's go take a look.
This new device allows you double the form factor than our original wall display and be able to use the display just the same as the Shelly app.
If you are a manufacturer in the market that wants to start selling new products with a smart profile, you can do so by using our new product called Shelly X.
We are introducing the first multi-protocol devices that combine 4 different technologies in one small piece of hardware.